A lot of people are breathing incorrectly. What they do is that they inhale and their shoulders shrug up, which actually indicates that you're not breathing from your diaphragm, which is that deeper breath that you want to be able to have a circulatory system really working with your workouts. So you want to take a deep breath from your diaphragm, inflate the belly, and then exhale as you contract that navel towards your spine, embracing your core. And with running, you want to find your groove. So it's either depending on your breath, maybe every 3 strides, you take a breath in, 3 steps, take it out, maybe 2, maybe 4. It depends on you and your respiratory system. But I say find your groove, and that's how you start with. You start with inflating the diaphragm, learning how to breathe properly, and then integrating it into your strides as you run in your performance.